If you've ever wondered what Node.js is, why it's needed, and what you can actually do with it, then this video is for you. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime that allows you to run JavaScript outside of a web browser. It's widely used for building websites, web servers, APIs, command line tools, desktop applications, and many other types of software. A lot of modern AI tools and applications also rely on Node.js and NPM, the Node Package Manager, to install and manage the packages they need. In this video, I'll show you what Node.js is, where it's commonly used, and how to install it on Windows step by step. We'll also make sure that Node.js and NPM are working correctly by checking their versions from the command line. So let's get started and install Node.js on our system. Click the Node.js link in my description to visit main page of Node.js. On main page, click on Get Node.js option. Scroll down and download Node.js MSI window file. Once file download, double-click on it to install. Choose Automatically Install Packages. Click space few times, let it install, don't interrupt anything. Once done, hit enter. To check in command window, type npm version. And that's it. Node.js and NPM are now successfully installed and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.